We're going places, we're adventuring, we're traveling, and we're taking the traveler tote with us. This bag is constructed from a 100% polyester that's water resistant. It features a front top entry pocket with some daisy chains, this nylon webbing right down here. Lots of pocket options on the front. We have obviously a cross-body strap option that's adjustable. This can also be removed if you just want to carry it as a tote. You have a shoulder carry option as well. Plenty of room to fit your elbow through there. And your main compartment zips open with that rope zipper pull accent, fully polyester lined. You have 2 top entry pockets on the front, a little D-ring with KAVU webbing detail in here so you can hook your keys to that, and a fantastic, massive hauler organizational pocket on the back here to keep your goodies extra safe. And on the back, you have this awesome strap here that's gonna slide right onto your rolly luggage to keep it secure. So when you're cruising through the airport, this isn't gonna slide off your luggage. It's the ultimate travel companion. That's the Traveler. Right there, that one.